Good morning, SK.
Good morning, SK.
Welcome back, SK.
Good morning, South.
What's up, SK? I'm Greg Pickard, the video production instructor. I'm jumping in and filling in for some technical difficulties today, so let's go right into the announcements. The yearbook staff wants to know what you've been up to during quarantine. Follow the link shown on your screen to take a short survey about quarantine. If you'd like to submit photos of your quarantine activities, the link for that is also shown on your screen. Remember, photos should be JPEGs and the original size for consideration when being put into yearbook. Continuing with post-high school plans, here's Mrs. Nass with more.
Hello, Wolves. Hope you enjoyed the 3-day weekend and are ready for this week. For college visits, you will see Gonzaga, UTI, Seattle University, and the Navy and Army National Guard. We are also hosting our It's Your Future Fair this Thursday. This year, it's all virtual, so check your grade level classrooms for the presentation. There will also be a link for you to Zoom with me that evening from 5 to 6:30 if you have any questions. Another place you and your family will find the It's Your Future Fair presentation is on the Career Center website. When you are in the virtual presentation, you can click on the school or military branches that interest you. Below their icon will be a link to their sites. There's also a page with career videos. View as many as you like to get the information you need to make an informed decision about your future. Take care and go Wolves.
Thank you, Mrs. Nass, and remember, It's Your Future Fair starts this Thursday. Last week, some of our fellow Wolves were back at SK. Let's see why. Hands-on learning can be hard when you can't get your hands on the equipment. The solution? Send the equipment home to students. Recently, SK CTE handed out a wide range of supplies so students could still get hands-on learning while at home. This ranged from lumber for birdhouses, sewing kits to make felt monsters and masks, video production equipment for professional recordings, and pounds upon pounds of cooking supplies. In just 2 days, 275 pounds of flour, 600 eggs, and a whole lot of frozen milk went out to students of beginning culinary, advanced culinary, and pro start classes. They'll be making no-bake cookies, mac and cheese, and scones. Of course, before anything left, there was some paperwork to fill out and an allergy check, but overall it went smoothly. Some students got a chance to see their teachers for the first time outside of Zoom, which both enjoyed.
It's so good that you guys, I have
With masked faces and the gloves in hand, the staff worked for hours waiting for students while packing as much as they could, including 600 feet of lumber. Back in September, there was even more. 450 pounds of clay from ceramics, drafting supplies for CAD, and whiteboards for ASL. And it doesn't stop there. Another pickup date is coming in just a few weeks. Now that second quarter will also be fully remote, keep an eye out for additional pickup dates. There's sure to be more days to come, but the SK staff and students are ready for it.
You're all set.
Even if it takes a little extra time. If for some reason you missed the pickup days, contact your teacher as soon as possible.
Hey SK, I'm Connor McKinley. Let's move on to sports. On the topic of sports, I definitely miss our spirit nights. Right now, even the most spirited of us can feel a bit down. Even our good friend Roscoe.
Curry hands off the second man through. He's gonna hold right here.
He's gonna score a touchdown.
Do you need an SK Spirit fix like Roscoe? Check out our old football archive with a new game every weekday on SK TV 205 on Wave Cable. It might have taken a while, but we at WTV finally have the full list of what clubs are back in action. Over a year ago, SK DECA held the first annual CF Hero 5K. This race was a huge success, raising nearly $6,000 for the Cystic Fibrosis 5K and seeing over 170 runners. The 2020 race was looking to be an incredible one when COVID-19 struck, causing the race to be moved to a virtual platform. The race will happen November 21st to the 23rd, but it is encouraged to run when it best suits you. If you are interested in participating or donating, please use the link below to register. For more information, email skdeca5k@gmail.com or contact the Instagram at sk.cf.5k. Congratulations to our own Emily Irvine for being selected as the September DECA Member of the Month. Emily was selected for her hard work, leadership skills, and dedication to SK DECA.
Good morning and welcome to the marketing classroom. I'm Miss Fider, the marketing teacher.
Hey, welcome to South Kitsap.
Hello, everybody. Come on in.
Welcome to the student store.
Okay, welcome to the Wee Wolves Preschool.
Hello, and welcome to Miss Quintana's Freshman Success.
Well, hello, class. This is Mr. Shepard.
Preschoolers will go to school.
Where we have a ghost knife swimming around in there, and we also have a placostomus.
So every year we do a plant sale. This plant sale helps raise funds for FFA.
I'm like the metal shop guy.
We have a pretty strong DECA program. We've received lots of awards and certification.
You never have to worry about needing materials when you're in my room because I provide everything.
When you cook this year, it's good to have some basic supplies.
And you can see our two sows. The one that's walking towards us is Ricky.
Can't wait to have you in the preschool.
I look forward to a great year in class.
Thank you.